Here today we will see VPC pairing part 2, different region. In the first part we see that in the same region, in the same availability zone, here we will see different region and different availability zone as well. So this is region Mumbai 1 and region Ohio. Okay, first of all we are going to create VPC. This is my dashboard. Let's get into VPC. Open VPC. Create VPC. Create this is what was the name, web. Okay, I'm creating VPC for web. The IP is 24. You can give anything, 16, or I'm just selecting 256. No matter. Okay, so one availability zone, zone A, and no private subnet, and yeah, create. Same do for just duplicate. Now we will create VPC in Ohio region. Create VPC more, VPC DB. IP was 192, you can see 192.168.0.0/24. Availability zone 1, you can choose anything, and just keep it as it. Private subnet 0, create it. Next step, going to create 2 instances. Okay, let's this is a Mumbai region. We are going to create EC2, launch, web, Ubuntu, keep here. No need to use keep here for now, because we can use EC2 connect directly, but still let's do create new web db key. Fine, edit, refresh. VPC web automatically will select subnet, assign public IP, here web SG, keep it as 22. We will add one more rule later after assigning the instance. Okay, let's create. Same for here, because here this is DB and this is web. Okay, click on EC2. Let's wait for 2x to check. Till then we are creating here DB Ubuntu let's create DB to web. Why I'm creating this? Because if we get any error, any issue in connection, we can use this keep here. So refresh it. DB VPC public, assign enable, security group DBSG. Let's launch. If you see here, it should complete. Yeah, wait till then. What now we have to do? We have created this. Now we will show you. First of all, just connect web. Yeah, let's ping here. We are pinging this IP. We will see that we are able to ping or not. This one. Okay. So we will not able to ping this one. Okay. Same way we can check for this one. Let's connect this one. Let's ping this IP. Okay, we will not able to get any response. Okay, because of we didn't add it through VPC peering. First of all, we have to add security group so that this will allow. Okay, I will add it later. Firstly, I will create VPC peering. Let's create firstly security group, so you will understand more than you expect. Here, just remember, this is a web security group. I will provide here all traffic from different region, which is OU region, which is this one. I'm copying this. We can directly copy for use this IP for give access. I won't give all the access through under this port number. Okay, you can give IP or else also. I will show you if you will not able to see. Okay, so just save it. So now same I need to do with the app. Just copy, select security group, add security group. Here we will give web private IP. Private IP, not we are giving CIDR range because I want all IPs need to should access. Okay, that's why I am giving complete okay, all traffic. 24. See, here we are not getting any response, still it is waiting for response. Okay, so now I am going to, even I give a IP, okay, still we are not able. Now we are going to see VPC peering. We will do it here from web to DB. So I am putting here as web to DB. Requester will be web and accepted will be another region from Ohio, and VPC ID will be this is the VPC ID. Just copy and paste it here. Create peering. Okay, after peering you will see here VPC peering web has been requested. Okay, remember the changes region to accept the peering connection. Okay, so we are going to here and we will see this is the OU region. If you click here peering connection, here you will see pending acceptance. So select, click accept. If you are not accepting, then you will not able to ping both sides. Still it will wait for provisioning. Now next step is in the both route table, in the Mumbai region, in the OU region, we have to add in the route table that peering connection. We are able to, we are giving a path. Route is nothing but path. We are giving this path so that IP will communicate that instance each other. Okay, so what was 92 point this is the web, right? So I am giving here 168.0.0/16. Here you have to select the peering connection web. Now you will see here it will communicate. Give me a second. Same we have to do for sorry by mistake I gave here. I need to give 24. Wait and connect again. Till then you are fine. So here we have added, okay, it's fine, but we have to add here as well in this OU region. Go and add 0.0.0/24. Why? Because we have to communicate each other, means this IP should communicate each other. Just see. Okay, I'm just saving. See, both IP is communicating each other. Okay, fine. That's all. This is the video. Thank you.